Okay, your feed is live, your ads are running, and everything's working. But now you want to launch something new. A new creative, a new treatment, new ads, without touching or breaking anything that's already live. You don't need a new feed. You just need a new treatment. Here's how it works. If your designs are already created, almost everything happens inside the output feed section right here. Here we're going to click on our Latico multi-treatment. It's already connected to our ad platform, so we don't need to create a new feed. This is a common point of confusion. Marpipe supports multi-treatment feeds, which means one feed, multiple versions, multiple creative treatments, all living inside the same feed. So you can see what we have here right now. We're just going to create a new treatment right here inside this output feed. So we'll click here, add a new treatment. We're going to call this ratings version 4. This is a treatment that's going to collect some of our ads that have ratings, and we're going to put them all in a new treatment. Let's create this. This will pop up where we can select our feed design, but an important thing to note is you can only add designs that aren't already in the live feed. So everything right here is a draft. If a design was previously live and removed, it must be fully unpublished before it becomes selectable again. We're going to select the design we want. In this case, we're going to do the rating thin frame. Once added, it appears here inside the ratings V4 treatment. This bar right here shows how many products the treatment applies to. Right here, you can see it's only 357 of 1100 SKUs. Why is that? It's because there's a filter applied right here that we've created, which means the ratings is greater than 200. This is important because if your ads don't apply the same filter, any products outside those 350 or so will render out without this creative, meaning it'll just be, again, a catalog ad, blank white canvas, nothing on the background, really boring stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a fallback treatment. We're going to create a design basically that anything outside those 357, the ratings that are higher than 200, we're going to create a design that something that's still eye-catchy, but doesn't have anything to do with the ratings counter. So to fix all of this, we're going to clone the existing treatment, and we're going to move the clone above the filter treatment. I'm going to rename this ratings fallback. So order matters here. Marpipe evaluates treatments top to bottom. So the first matching treatment is applied, everything else falls through. In the cloned version, we're going to remove the rating count filter. We're going to click apply here and let it do its thing. Now we're showing all of our SKUs here. Now this treatment will apply to all of our products. Here's how the overlap is resolved. Once everything processes, you'll see this small icon here. This is what's happening. Products that meet the rating filter use our ratings thin frame design here. Everything else falls through to the fallback. We're going to create the design for the fallback. We're just going to remove the ratings filter. We'll remove the ratings counter here, and we'll move this right here above. Okay, so now that's done. We'll come back to our output feed. We'll come down here. Ratings fallback looks good. It's got that new design with the stars just above. We've still got our rating view counter here. Now, once everything looks right, we're just going to publish the updates. Marpipe renders all images into the feed. After publishing, you can assign these creatives to any ads that you need, use them in any campaigns you want, and there's no new feed required. So final takeaway, to launch a new creative, say our ratings counter, use your existing feed, you get a multi-treatment platform, add a new treatment, watch your product coverage, always include a fallback design, and then publish and assign your new ads. That's how you ship new ads fast without disrupting anything on the live feed. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.